Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy and sell on the FBS web trader. You can also do this on the MT5 that you downloaded for Windows, for Android or for your Mac OS. But we are using the web browser right here. And it's quite simple because you need to log in with your account. So click on File and make sure that you log in with any account. And right now we just logged in with a demo account, and then you have two ways how you can buy and sell. The first is just clicking here on buy or sell and select here the volume that you want to buy. So let's say we want to buy with this, we click here on buy. And now if you can see right there, this is the order that we just created. We can also do this for sell, and then right now you will find here the sell order with 0.05. The other way is click here on new order, and then right there you can create your own customized order where you can fill in right here the currency where you want to trade in, the volume right there, create a stop loss if you want to take profit, and then you can select here a pending order, a multiple close by or a instant execution, and then you click here on buy, or you can click right there if you do it again on sell. But you need to fill in everything correctly, and then after that, so let's do for example, now we just did it, and now you'll see here sell 0.01 euro USD successful. So that means that we created the order. So this is how you can buy and sell on FBS. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.